Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at some really amazing gadgets that will help you keep your smart home safe and protected like never before. As always, all products will be listed in the description below, which you will be able to check out for yourself, and do stick around till the end for more details on our giveaway to come. Do like and subscribe for more content like this, and make sure to hit the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. First on our security device list is a smart security robot named Appbot Riley. This is a smart robot that comes with a camera setup on top of it, which you can access using its app from wherever you are in the world. Using the rubber wheels it has like in a tank, Riley is able to move on almost all types of floors without any problem, all the while making sure your home and surroundings are safe and secure. You can schedule the robot to make its rounds as you want, as well as operate it remotely, just like a toy car, enabling you to see what's going on in different parts of your house as you wish, no matter when and where you are. Apart from the high quality camera on top, which has night vision for use in the dark, Riley also comes with an inbuilt mic and a speaker on it, letting you hear and communicate with the other side so that you can talk to your family as well as any other persons who Riley comes across. While it's making its rounds as scheduled, if the robot runs out of battery power, it is smart enough to return back to its power dock to recharge by its own, and will make sure it's monitoring the surrounding area even while charging. The whole gadget is made to be super durable, and with the rubber tracks on the wheels being able to grip almost any surface, it can travel indoors as well as outdoors as you want. And as the wheel tracks are removable, it is also super easy to clean up and restore back on the robot as well, making sure it won't make your floors dirty after a stroll outside. For the really low price tag it comes with, this is definitely something you should check out to get for your own home. Do check out the link on description for pricing and for more details, which I'm sure will make it that much easier for you to get one as well. Next on the list is a smart lock for your doors, Lockly Vision Smart Lock. As so many things around us are getting upgraded with smart tech, having a smart door lock will make entry to your home keyless, well protected, as well as keep you informed on who and when people enter and exit. The Lockly smart locks can be purchased at deadbolts or even as latch locks, and is super easy to install and set up. It allows you to preset digital keys to near 100 profiles, which you can set up as both key codes and as fingerprints. To make sure that you never have to worry about whether you locked your doors again, you can program the door to auto lock whenever someone exits through it. You can also lock and unlock the door using the mobile app from wherever you are, as well as give temporary key codes to trusted visitors so that they can access the home even if you're not there. The temporary key codes can be used by the guests without even having to download the app, by simply sending a timed entry pass via SMS, which can be valid from only for an hour to a whole month. When it comes to code protection, you can be sure that no one can observe and enter your key code when you're not there, as the numbers on the display will change its position every time you enter one, making the code be the same but impossible to guess. This is definitely a must for a smart security setup as well as for any smart home, simply because of the convenience it brings as well as the high level of security. Do check out the link on description for more details so that you can see for yourself on all the specifics involved and making this one of the best smart locks out there. Next up, we have a baby monitor, which has been upgraded to be super smart and intelligent, Cubo AI. This is a baby monitor with a protective AI, which can do so many more things more than a traditional device many people tend to buy these days. Apart from being able to see and hear the baby from a distance, this can also alert you on many potentially dangerous things, such as the face being covered, the baby crying, and when people are around, and also will give you a full report at the end or the beginning of the day on what happened while you were away. It will also include a sleep report of when the baby was sleeping, making sure that you know how well the baby has slept and on anything else as well. Also, another great feature this comes with is a mic and a speaker on the device, which will let you hear the baby as any other device would do, and also let you speak through the app from wherever you are, whether to soothe the baby or just to communicate, which will make sure you don't feel apart at all. You're also able to play lullabies through the speakers whenever you feel like, so that the baby is kept happy. And also the intelligent AI will make sure you don't miss any cute moments by sending you pictures and videos when you're away, making sure you never miss a moment no matter where you are. What makes this gadget so good is that even when the baby is grown up and not in a cradle anymore, you can still set up the monitor on a mobile stand and use it to see what is happening when you're not there. Not only will the AI keep a track of all the missed memories as pictures and videos as a moment's wall, it will also alert you if the baby is trying to get to any place you have set up as a danger zone, such as kitchens and stairways, and will send you a notification in advance so that you can intervene. Do check out the link on description for more details on the product, and hopefully this will be a part of your baby's security setup, which I'm sure will come in handy for you. Next up we have is another option for a smart home security camera, Moon by One Ring. This is basically a levitating camera designed as a ball, or a moon as per the name, which comes with a smart wireless charger as well as some of the best camera technology available as of now. The device will be continuously levitating on its own, monitoring the surrounding area, as well as can be accessed using the mobile app to direct in whichever direction as you require. Not only will it show you the recordings in full HD wide angle, it will also let you monitor the surrounding sounds as well using two precision mics installed on the sides as well. The mics are able to automatically pick up distinct noises and focus on them by itself, as well as send you a notification if anything is out of its place. Also, this comes with a speaker around its grill as well, which will allow you to communicate with the other side, making this functional as a security camera as well as an option to take video calls on. The camera is also able to monitor the surrounding temperatures, humidity, carbon dioxide levels, and light sensitivity, making it able to give a detailed report on what is happening at home or even at your office when you're away. Also, thanks to the built-in IR blaster and its smart features, the device is able to control many of your other tech devices such as TV, air condition, stereo, and a whole lot more. The device battery can run up to 5 hours in one charge, and thanks to its smart wireless charger, you will never have to worry about any disruptions with your security feed. This definitely packs a punch for such a small device. Do check out the camera for yourself on the below link for anything we have missed, and I'm sure you will be impressed enough to consider this as a new addition. Next on the list, we have a really cool gadget that was announced just a couple weeks back, Ring Always Home Camera. This is actually a mix of a drone and a security camera, a security drone, which is actually a first on the commercial market as far as I know. The drone works using Ring's own security locks, which you can install all around your house, which will send a signal to the drone when it detects an unauthorized entry from any point, making the drone to power up while sending you an alert to your mobile. You can then control the drone camera from wherever you are and use the camera, send the drone around your house and investigate what is happening, all the while having a 1080p live feed of your home on your screen. Also, to make things easier for you, Ring will also provide you with preset pads, which you can program to signal a part of your home like the kitchen, and you can map out the route in one time from the drone's charging port to the preset pad, whereas it will be saved on the system, and the next time you need to see what's happening in your kitchen, like whether you have powered on your gas burner properly or if all lights are switched off, all you have to do is switch on the security drone and click kitchen, and the drone will go on its own and show you the room so you can be sure everything is as it should be. And of course, the product is made basing privacy of its customers its top priority, with the drone being able to record only while it's flying, and the rest of the time it will sit idly on its pad, with the camera securely closed behind the pad walls. The production team has also made sure it makes a small hum while it flies, so it won't sneak up on anyone, as well as has both obstacle avoidance software installed, as well as the propellers are safely enclosed inside the body, so that it will not accidentally clip anyone while flying. This is definitely a brand new invention which will be up for purchase soon enough and will save you tons of money and hassle on getting multiple security cameras when you can cover the entire home with just one camera. Do check out the link on description for pricing and more details, which I'm sure you will think is more than reasonable and will be way more interesting to have. Next on the list is a basic DIY home security system from Google. Google Nest Secure Alarm System. This comes in couple units with the main brains of the system being the Nest Guard, a small Google Home mini looking pod which acts as a hub for all connecting devices as well as for the alarms to be sounded. The alarm pod can be accessed to lock and unlock the alarms by using the mobile app as well as using the keypad on top, which can enter the key into, or by using a Nest tag that comes with the device to tap and enter. The Nest tags act as NFC tags, which will let you lock and unlock the house whenever you want entry, and is totally secure as you can easily add or remove any tag using the mobile app in case you lose one from your possession. The setup also comes with the Nest Detect sensors, which you can set up on your doors and windows as well as all throughout the house as motion sensors, which will monitor all movements inside the house when on lockdown and make sure you are well protected. A great feature of the Nest Detect sensors is that it can detect motion. When you leave the house, if you forget to activate the system to lock up, it will automatically detect that there is no one in the house and send you a notification reminding to activate the system, which you are able to do from wherever you are using the app. It also comes with the option called Quiet Open, which will let you quietly disable only one detector for random things, like letting a dog out in the yard in the middle of the night, making sure that all of the alarms are still functioning except for the one you require. This is definitely a simple system to start with, and I'm sure will develop over time with updates from Google as well. Check out the product for yourself in the link on description, and do let me know what you think on the comments. Next on the list is a smart gadget to keep you and your home safe in the kitchen. This is called Safera Sense. This is a small add-on you can set up on your stove which can do a whole lot of things, like monitor and tell when your pan is hot enough to start cooking, and you need to switch on your cooker hood to make sure that the air quality is kept good. Notify when your stove top is switched on accidentally. Even to set cooking timers, making your normal cooker-top into a smart cooker-top. The setup of this is quite simple. Just place it above your stove, on the wall, or under the cooker hood, and it will monitor all things to do with cooking by using its smart sensors and alert you via notifications on your mobile or even by just a beep. This can make sure that you are fully aware on everything that is happening in real time, and this will definitely avoid a potential disaster, which is actually the world's biggest cause on home fires. Do check out the link below for more information and make sure your home and loved ones are always safe. To announce our giveaway for this time, we have partnered up with the Nanoleaf company, and we will be giving away 15 panels of Nanoleaf canvas to one lucky subscriber of our channel soon. All you have to do is to like the video and subscribe the channel. Make sure to click the bell icon as well in order not to miss the latest updates on the new tech as well as on the giveaway. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to check out all the products by yourself by using the links on description, where you are able to purchase them as well with no hidden commissions being charged. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and do comment below for any specific gadget you would like us to review, and we will do just that. Have a good day and much love.